Which great composer played billiards, wrote strange jokes in his letters, and is still at the center of one of the most famous myths in music history? Today, you'll discover 5 of the most incredible facts about Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Fact 1. The mystery of the Requiem. In 1791, an unknown messenger visited Mozart. He commissioned a requiem without revealing the client's identity. Mozart was already seriously ill and began to believe he was writing music for his own funeral. He died before he could finish the work. It later became known that, according to most historians, the mysterious commissioner intended to perform the Requiem after Mozart's death and present it as a work specially commissioned for him. Fact 2. The truth about Salieri. After Mozart's death, rumors spread that Antonio Salieri had poisoned him. The story became famous through books, plays, and movies. However, no convincing historical evidence has ever been found to support this claim. In the late 20th century, a symbolic historical trial involving historians and legal experts also concluded that the accusations against Salieri were unsupported. Today, most scholars consider the poisoning story a legend rather than an established fact. Fact 3. Mozart had a very unusual sense of humor. If you read Mozart's letters, you might be very surprised. He often invented funny poems, puns, and very unusual jokes. For example, in one of his letters he wrote,
"Good night, sleep well, and don't forget to fart in bed."
Not exactly what you'd expect from one of history's greatest composers. Quick poll, please answer the pinned comment. Which composer would you like to see featured in a future video? Now, let's continue. Fact 4. Mozart loved billiards. Whenever Mozart got tired of composing, he often played billiards. He even had his own billiard table at home. Friends recalled that he would sometimes take a short break, play a few games, and then return straight to composing. Fact 5. Mozart was never afraid to speak his mind. Mozart hated being cheated. When a wealthy patron failed to pay him the full fee promised for music written for the flute, Mozart was so frustrated that he openly complained about it in his letters. He even admitted that he found writing for the flute difficult and that the instrument did not inspire him at all. Yet he still completed the commission professionally despite his disappointment. Which fact surprised you the most? We could talk about Mozart forever, but there's another musical genius who died one of the strangest deaths in music history. I've already made a video about him. Enjoy watching, and see you next time.